doubts on transit gateway, you guys? So yesterday I could not take, so due to office issues. So today we are going to spend a lot of time. Maybe it may take up to 1.5 to 2 hours. I do not know. So this will be
Today,
complete hands-on. Okay.
today na sir? Sir,
Yes.
today na?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So Sharan or Rajshekar or Vinita, anyone would like to share your screen? I would guide you and open the Excel sheet I shared you for the project. So today we are going to do the project. Hello. ರಾಜಶೇಖರ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 1.5
Karan,
ಅವರ್
will you do it?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌನ್.
Yes, sir.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ.
ಶರಣ್, ವಿನಿತಾ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Hello. Hello.
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
Okay, Sharan, what about you?
Yes, sir. Hello. Hello. Yes, sir.
Because this project will not work because I alone cannot do it because I need to create one transit gateway and I need to share it with another account. Then only this project will be good. Okay. Then from tomorrow we are going to start with Linux fundamentals because from Monday we are going to start Terraform for sure. Okay, if possible tomorrow it not be possible because I'll be taking Linux fundamentals. Okay. So it will take minimum 2 hours. So Linux fundamentals we are going to cover tomorrow. That's the reason. Okay, so Sharan, you there or not? Hello, Sharan. Hello. Sharan, you there?
Hello.
Yeah, quickly share the screen so that we will start. Yes. So in this way you will be, you will become more perfect. Okay, once you do the hands-on project. So transit gateway is a feature which will solve the problem arised by using VPC peering, right? So we can have only one centralized connection rather than having n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So that connection, so that will create a mesh topology. So that will create a ruckus. Ruckus in the sense the routing table will become very tedious, right? So it doesn't, and the performance wise also it may slow down or it may compromise on application level. Okay, so first what we are going to do, so we are create Sharan, share the Google Drive I shared with you people the other day, the project, the requirement. So we get requirements from the client to create these many VPC. Okay. Yeah, that is the one. I think, yeah, drive.google. Yeah. No, not this one. Come down. Go to the WhatsApp chat again. Come down. This is the first thing I. Come down. Come down. No. Go up little. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Yes. So this is the hands-on project we are going to do. Okay. So go to the end, the very end, last page. There is a link. Yeah. Open that. Control in your keyboard and press that link. Or else copy that. You're getting a copy option. Yeah. Copy there and open in a new tab. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Open there. Yes. So see, guys, as you can see, we'll get the requirement like this. Okay. Now quickly, Sharan has to create. So Sharan, have you created this VPC like this one?
No, no, sir. Hello, hello.
Go to your AWS console. Show me if you have created, or else we are going to create now. Not a problem. That's okay. It will take some 20 minutes extra. Go to your VPC section and see whether you have created. Okay, you have not created. Okay, so let us create one by one. Yeah, so go to that sheet, Excel sheet. So first we are going to create a 3 VPCs. Okay. Yeah, open the transit gateway sheet. Sharan. The last one, the last tab which you have opened.
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಈಗ
ಈಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಮೈಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಹೋಗಿ ಟಾಪ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ವಿ ಪಿ ಸಿ, ಸಿ ಎ ಡೆವ್ ಬೇಡ, ಈ 3 ವಿ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಡೆವ್ ವಿ ಪಿ ಸಿ, ಕ್ಯೂ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ವಿ ಪಿ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಈ 3 ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ, ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. See, as you can see, even though we are creating different VPC, but we are starting with all the VPC with 10 series. Why we are able to achieve that? Because the second subnet, because we are all using /16. So that means the first and second bit, we are not going to assign it to the hosts or resources. So by changing the second bit, we can create n number of networks. Okay. So 10.1, 10.2, 10.0, 10.3. So like that we can create n number of VPC. Okay. So even though all are starting from 10, but by the second bit we will be able to segregate that. Right. Okay. So CA div VPC I will create it later. Okay. Now let us create the subnets. Yes. So now you create internet gateways. Okay. So now what we discussed before transit gateway, that if the EC2 instance inside the one VPC wants to talk to another VPC, the thing was VPC peering and that was one to one. But now I am going to show you. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a transit gateway now. Okay. Once the internet gateway is, created and attached, then we are going to create a transit gateway which is sufficient to connect all the VPCs together. Okay. And you will notice that you are going to connect to any instance from one VPC to another VPC with the help of transit gateway. Okay. So that is the agenda of this project. Okay, and also not only within your same account, Sharan is going to share his transit gateway with my account, so that I will be attaching my VPC to his transit gateway, and you will notice that I will be able to connect to his EC2 using the same transit gateway. So this is the overall capstone project. Okay, so you will see. Yeah, so one last thing is we need to make a routing table entries for all the subnets, and then the initial setup is done.
Yes, sir. Oh, sir.
Okay, good, Sharan. So now we are going to, okay, create a transit gateway. Sharan, so go to same VPC section, and under there will be an option called transit gateway. So go there, come down. Yeah, yes, yeah, click there. Now, guys, remember this is not under free tier. Okay, so the moment we are done with the testing, we are going to delete it. Okay, so that they don't charge us. Okay, and if AWS charges, just raise a support ticket. They will waive off. Nothing to worry. Okay. Now click on create transit gateway. You can name it as project TGW dash TGW. Yeah, yes. And leave everything default. Come down. Yes. And create transit gateway. Yes. Now it is state will be pending, because in the backend they need to create one, logical appliance for your VPC, and they need to attach. Okay. Okay. Now just refresh. It will take some time, so let us wait. Okay, once it is become active, then we can attach our VPC. Okay, for now you know very well that from any VPC no instances can connect to each other, right?
Sir, available ಆಯ್ತು.
Okay, then now go to next to transit gateway new, there is a option attachments. So what we discussed, there are two things. First is attachments. No, no, not there, on the left hand side option.
Sir, exactly where, sir?
See, in the same you created transit gateway, no?
Okay.
Transit gateway new option, just below that there is a option transit gateway attachments.
Okay.
Yeah, click there. So as you can see, sorry, so now click on create a transit gateway. Yeah, you can name it as attachment 1, attachment 1, and select the transit gateway. Yes, and we select the name VPC only. No, no, VPC. Yeah, come down and select a VPC. Yeah, you can give QA VPC or dev, anything, and go change the name. Go to the top and change the name as a attachment 1, attachment dash q dev or QA, whatever you have selected. Attachment dash dev. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, now this is what you have done. This is called one attachment, the connection. So what we are doing is we are connecting our VPCs one by one to this transit gateway. Means what? Logically we are connecting our VPC to a centralized hub, so that from any VPC we can be able to reach an other VPC. Okay, so same way, Sharan, you create two more attachments for QA and shared VPCs.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Okay, now you might have noticed one thing. So once you are done with the attachments, now go to the next option, transit gateway route table. So you would see that one by one it is creating. See, now open that. See, you will see only one route table because it uses all the things. Now go inside the route table. No, inside means there is a blue link, no, on the same page. You have to click there. Yeah, yes, click there. Yes, see. Now you will see this. So this is what the meaning of association. See, associations. Okay. Now click on propagations. Next to association there is a, yeah, correct. Now this is the propagation. Propagation means from this VPC it will come. Now click on the fourth option, that is routes. Yeah, come down. You will see automatically there are three routes created. Now the meaning of this is that now your all VPC will come to your this thing. But now I'll ask you one question. Now we have connected, we have associated, all the things are done. Now tell me, from will I be able to connect from dev VPC to the QA VPC? I need answer.
Sir, once again, sir. Innocently question, sir.
No, ನಾನೇನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು QA VPC ಇಂದ ಡೆವ್ VPC ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ? ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ? ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಲಾಗಿನ್
ಹೇಗೆ
ಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ನೀವು. ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗದ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ VPC ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಸರ್. ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ if you have to connect more than 5 to 6 VPC, okay, then you are given formulas are n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So if you calculate that one, it will take more than some 12 to 14 connection or 15 connections, sir. But here if you connect transit gateway, so all the VPCs we are connecting only to the transit gateway. We are not connecting VPC to VPC if it is more than 2 to 3. So if more than 2 to 3 VPC connection if you have to connect, I will go for transit gateway. So in transit gateway acts as a middle, it is a bridge to the other VPC to the connect.
Okay, but so one thing we have missed. Okay, so we have done connections, but if you go to your any subnets, so go to any one of the subnets, Sharan. Even though we have made the attachments and created association and everything, but what we have not added is go to any one subnet. I will show you. Yeah. Now click on the routing table, which this subnet is following. Yeah, go inside that. Click on the blue link. See, if you see here, everyone see, we should be very smart in answering interview questions. You should say, after you are doing any kind of VPC peering or any kind of association with transit gateway, we must remember that any EC2 instance will follow the security group and also the routing table inside the subnet. So have we added the routing information inside this subnet? No. So that means even though we have made a transit gateway and we have made association, none of the VPC will be able to talk to another VPC because we have not added in the routes. So what we are going to do, Sharan, click on the routes, go to edit routes. Now click on add route. Yeah, so you mention 10 dot, no. Yeah, like this way also you can do. That means from anywhere. So you can select in the target, you can select transit gateway. No, not there. In the second line. Yes. So there you select transit gateway. Come down. Yes, select the transit gateway. Yes. So rather see this what you have done is correct, but we should see as a security perspective, we should not allow from anywhere. So what you do like this 10.0.0.0/8 you do. That will cover all the all the VPCs. So that means 10.0.0.0/8. Meaning anything 10.1, 10.2, 10.3 to 10.255, everything will be covered. So that is the meaning of this. And same entry you put it in all the other two subnets. And only then it will work. Okay. Now save changes. Yeah. So same entry you put it in the other two subnets. Yeah. So one by one add the same thing 10.0.0.0/8 to the transit gateway in all the subnets.
Yes, sir. Done. Sir.
Okay. So now you do the testing. So now what you do? You create one instance in dev and the other in QA or other in shared VPC. Okay. And try to log ping or do.
Hello.
ಹಾ ಹಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು
Yes.
ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದ ಸೆಟಪ್. ನಾವು ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ದೇನು ಅಜೆಂಡಾ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಅಜೆಂಡಾ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ ವಿಪಿಸಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪಿಯರಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ವಿಪಿಸಿ ಪಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. See, technically speaking, what technology we have used? We have used a transit gateway, which is advanced than VPC peering, right? So we need to test ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. So that is called a POC. That is proof of concept. So in technical terms ಅದನ್ನ POC ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಒನ್ EC2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ dev VPC and then you create one more in shared VPC. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಯಾ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾ. Don't worry, this video is being recorded. I will share you by end of the day. That is day before yesterday's class and today's project class also. I will share by end of the day today. Okay. And tomorrow don't miss anyone. So tomorrow we are going to start with Linux. And once we are done with the Linux commands and basics, then we are going to start with Terraform. Okay.
Launch instances, sir.
Yes. Wait. Yeah. Go ahead. You have to select the VPC which we have created. Okay. Don't select the default VPC. It will not work.
Sir, direct launch ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋದಾ?
ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗದೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್?
ಕೀ ಪೇರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈಗ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್?
ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್, ಶರಣ್ ಕೀ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೊಸದೇ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಓಕೆ.
And guys, this is another tips, or you can also consider this as a advice. Stop talking in Kannada, okay? Because if you keep on talking in Kannada, then you will get stuck in an interview, okay? So the reason why I am using more of English, because it becomes a real time and you should be very confident in the interview, okay? So your interview will not be in Kannada language, so better you get used to it. So this will help you boost your confidence in the interview as well, right? So nobody is going to talk to you in Kannada or anything. So that is why my sincere advice to you is, you pretend that this is a project that we are doing, okay? And you should always communicate in English, okay? Yes, you can give the key pair name as transit gateway, TGW.
What is that RSA and ED something?
That you don't worry. See, that is just a algorithm type, okay? You select RSA.
Is it done, sir? Or import on?
Sorry?
After downloading that key pair, no, sir.
Yeah, have you go to that instance? I mean the launch instance. Yeah, download, no? Come down and click on launch instance. You have downloaded the key pair?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can launch instance. Yeah. No, okay, I didn't. Let us see. Yes. Now click on the instance. There only. See, it says the following instance launches have been. Yeah, click there. Yes. Now select the. Okay, you have not given any name. Now select where in which instance this one you created. Select the instance there. The checkbox. VPC ID. Which one you have created? I think you created in the default VPC. That's what I told you. I also didn't notice. Okay, terminate this. Click on actions there. No, no, sorry. Action. Sorry, instance state. Instance state. Yeah, terminate. Last option. Yes. Did you terminate? Click. Yes. Now again launch the instance. Go to the EC2 section. Yeah, in the VPC, select the third option. Yes, network is there now. Yes, click there. Yeah, select the dev or QA VPC. Yeah, and subnet. Yeah, only one subnet we have, I guess. Yeah, enable. Correct. Very good. Yeah, we have only one subnet. No, so we created only one. Yeah. Click add storage. Next, add tags. Yeah, click to add a name tag. Yeah, name in the value section you give. Which subnet is this? Dev or QA? No, name. You have to give name, key value name, NAME, N capital. Yes, say select that. Yeah. And in the value, in the next box, you have to give the name. So which subnet is this? Yeah. Yeah. Now security group. Yeah. Select an exist. Okay. Create new. You can name it as dev VPC security group or dev security group because this is a dev VPC, right? So dev dash SG like that you have to create. No, remove that launch wizard dash. Okay, it will create confusion. Select dev dash SG. Yeah. Yeah, select the same key. Yeah, transit. Yeah. You have to check that I acknowledge. Yes. And launch. Yeah, same way you create. See, Sharan, you have kept your instance running. Don't do that. You terminate once you are done with the testing. I see IGW-demo instance is still running. Unnecessary, you will be, you will get lot of bills. Okay. Okay. So now you launch this in a shared VPC. Okay. Be careful in the configures instance section to select the shared VPC. Once you're done, just will continue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is it done? EC2 instance have you created?
Two done, sir. Two done.
Okay, that is enough. So no need of the third one. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So now you log into any one EC2 and try to ping the other EC2 using the private IP. Okay. Okay. You have created QA VPC. Okay.
So now what should I do, sir?
Log into EC2 instance, any one EC2 instance, and try to ping the other EC2 instance using the private IP.
How, sir?
Open your git bash.
The tab. No, I don't have that software, sir.
Okay, you download now quickly. So it will help others also how to download. Okay, go to Google.
Okay.
I'll tell you step by step what you have to do. Go to Google. Type their git bash download. Space bash. Yes, second option. Yes. Yeah, select the first link. Yes. Select the download for Windows option is there. Yes. Okay, now it will download. I think it is not downloading. Huh? It download or not?
No, sir. No, sir. 32 or 62 bits, sir. Which one?
Click on the 64. Yes. Yes. Now click there.
Just a second.
Yeah, open. Yes. Is it done?
No, sir. No, sir. I don't know that password, sir.
Which password? Where it is asking the password? Just install
This.
that application.
No, no, no. This Windows password. I need to. If I need to install this application, means I need password.
Okay.
I don't have that password, sir.
Then how will you install? Okay, open Putty then.
Which one, sir?
Putty in the search. In the no here in the Windows. No, not there. In your this one in the taskbar, there is a line which says type here to search. Can you see that? No, not there. That is AWS console. I am talking about your taskbar.
No, no, no. Where it is, sir?
On the
Exactly.
bottom, next to the star icon.
Okay.
Yeah, next to that. Yes, that is the type here to search. Yeah, type there Putty, Putty. You have not installed Putty also. Okay. Then how will you able to log in? Okay, why you don't remember this password? This is this not yours?
It's not mine, sir. It's my sister's. Okay.
Ask her quickly if she knows the password.
Tomorrow I will ask her.
Okay, tomorrow. Then you need to log in, no? Okay, no issues. So what we will do?
Okay.
Now you have created a VPC, right? So tomorrow we will test in your account. Now what you do? Go
Okay.
back to the AWS console. So now you are going to share it with my VPC. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now go to the this one. Yeah. In the search, in the AWS console search, type resource manager. Resource. Yeah. Wait. No. Delete that MANA. Not resources. Resource, only resource. Yeah. Yes. The first one. Select the first one. Yes. Okay. Now create a resource share. Click on create a resource share. Name you can give it as Sharan-Mithun VPC. That means it is a meaningful name. Means from Sharan's account, we are trying to connect Mithun's account using the VPC, or you can say TGW. Delete VPC, you can name it as TGW. Yeah. Okay. Now select a resource. Now we are not sharing the subnets, right? So we are sharing the transit gateway. So select transit gateway. Last one. Yes. Now automatically it will pop out how many TGW you have. Now select that. Yes. Come down. Okay. And click next. Yes. Click next. Now. So AWS account. So I'll give you my account ID. Just hold on. Yes. So you should be very careful in which region you are sharing. Northern Virginia, right? So mine is also in Northern Virginia. So let me give you my account ID in the chat.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I have put it in the chat. Yeah, you can copy and paste there. Yeah. Yes. And click on add. Yes. Now click on next. Yes, next. Yes. So now create a resource share. That's it. Now 50%, almost 50 to 70% task is done now. Now what we are going to do, stop sharing your screen. I will share my screen and I will show you that whatever you have shared, right, it will start visible in my screen. Okay. Now like VPC peering here also, there is a requester and a acceptor. Okay. Now even though Sharan has created a resource share, I need to accept that, right? So what I have to do, I need to go inside my AWS console and I need to go inside resource access manager. If I click there, see this is my account. This is not Sharan's account, right? Okay. Now see RAM console, that is resource access manager console, right? Now see, you should see under shared with me. You will see one invitation. See Sharan dash Mithun dash TGW. It says pending because I need to accept it. Now I need to accept. Yes. Now once I click accept, you would notice that in the transit gateway, now I have to go to the VPC section. Okay. And in the, I have to go to the transit gateways. Now see here, this is the transit. So this is the one which I created. Okay. CADAV transit gateway. I need to delete it. Okay. Okay. Leave it. Okay. So this is the Sharan's transit gateway. Correct? Correct, Sharan. Now what is your, is this your transit gateway ID? Just check it.
Just a second, sir.
It's ending with 425C. 425C. Once you confirm, I will start. Hello, Sharan.
Yes, sir. It is exactly, sir, that one only.
Yes. So once he has confirmed, so what we are going to do? So if, as you can see, there are no this is the old attachments. Okay. Now I need to delete this first. Okay, so that you don't have any confusion. This is the old one. Okay. Now I'm going to create an attachment. Okay. So I'll say tgw dash attachment dash one. So this is the transit gateway, right? This one 4255C. Now select the VPC, which I'm going to select. So I'm going to select the this one. Okay. Or I will select my default VPC. Okay. So that so I'm selecting the default VPC. All subnets are shared with you. Okay. Now I have created a now as I accepted my thing, now you need to go to your resource access manager and accept my invitation. So do that, Sharan. Only then I will be able to connect, ping to your EC2 instance. Sharan, is it done?
No, sir, I didn't get any, sir.
No, go to your this thing. Share your screen.
Just a second. Where it is, sir?
Okay, go to your transit gateway. Wait. Just a minute. Wait. Attachments. Click on attachments. Second option in the same transit gateway. Second option, yes, transit gateway attachments. You will see the one without my without a name. Scroll
Yes, sir.
to the right. Yeah, that one. Scroll to the right. Yeah, it says pending acceptance. Now click that second one in the checker box. Yes, click there. Now go to actions. Accept transit gateway attachment. Accept. Yes. So now what we have done is, now you have shared your transit gateway with mine and I have attached my VPC and you have accepted that in your transit gateway
Okay, sir.
attachment section. Now one more important thing we have to do. What is that is, you have to, so which VPC you want to allow me to connect. So in that VPC routing table, you have to allow my VPC. Now I'll tell you, go to your any VPC.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, dev VPC, fine. Now go to that routing table. Routing table, second one, third column. There only, third column, main routing table, it says, right? No. That is ACL. Before that, on the left hand side, yes, that is the routing table. Yeah, click on routes on the yeah, edit routes. Yeah, add route. So my CIDR is, let me tell you. Wait. 172.31.0.0/16. .0.0/16. Did you add?
No. 31
0.0.
Okay, 16.
Yes.
Okay.
Select the second. Yeah. Target transit gateway. Yes. Khalas. Okay. And
Okay.
same thing I should do. Okay. Now you can stop sharing. Your task is done. I will share my screen now. Okay. So now as you can see, now this is the VPC I have shared, right? So now let me also put it in the routing table, right? So now let me go to this VPC routing. Okay. And which routing table it is following, this routing table, right? So now let me put. Okay. Now edit routes, add route. Now I'm going to put 10.0.0.0/8. Okay. And I am going to select transit gateway. See, transit gateway dash attachment 1 425. This is Sharan's. Okay. I am going to save the changes. All right. Now I am going to the EC2 section.
Sir, you can check in your this one system, no, sir, whether it is exactly correct or not in JIT.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Now connection is established. Now I'm launching an instance in my account and I will try to ping to your account. See, I'm selecting the default VPC which I have attached. Okay. So I can select anyone because all are following the same routing table, right? Tag, you should say TGW and security group. So I'm going to select open to world SG because I want that to be connected and I'm going to launch. Okay, and I'm going to create a new key pair. Okay, now create a new key pair. So I'm going to select. Okay, and launch instance. Okay, now git bash is something, it is used to log into this EC2 machine. Okay, now I'm going to open. Okay, now SSH. Okay, where am I? Now tomorrow we are going to discuss these commands. Okay, so I need to go to the download sections, right? So that is where my key pair is. See, this is the microdegree.pym. So I need to pass it. SSH-i pem, then ec2-user @ I need to copy the public IP of the machine, right? So this is the public IP 44 dot something. So insert. Wait a minute. I think I didn't copy it well. Okay. Paste it and enter and type yes, and you will be able to log in. Okay. Now I have logged in to my thing. Okay. Now what is your IP? Now give me your public IP, Sharan. Ping 10 dot.
Just a second, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Take your time.
Sir, 3.80.
10.3 dot
3.80.145.0.
no, that is your public IP, Sharan. I want your private IP. See,
Okay,
private
okay.
IP will be like
10
this
dot
one. This
10
one. See
dot
here.
10.1.1.4.
10 dot
1.1.4.
1.1.4.
4.
Okay. Why it is not connecting? Okay, wait. Telnet. Sudo yum install telnet.
It is dev VPC, sir. It is private.
Wait. Let us see. 10.1.1.
4.
Yeah, it's connected. See,
Okay.
sometimes ping will not work. Okay. In order for us to see, telnet is a command where you can test whether the port is open. See, I am able to connect. See, connected. Trying to connect 1.1.4 and connected. Okay. See, sometimes ping will not because you have opened only one port, right? Now, if you open all the ports for my IP, I'll be able to ping also. I will, prove that also. What you can do in the security groups, open all the ports for my this thing. Can you do that,
Yes, sir.
guys? Yeah. Once you are done, you just let me know.
Sir, it is
Sharan,
in
is
dev
it
only.
done?
Sir, no, sir. It is in dev only, no, sir.
Yeah, dev only. 10.1 is which VPC? You see, by
And
looking at the IP, you should know which VPC it should belong. Right. If you are facing difficulty, share your screen. I will tell you.
okay, just a second, sir. I'll show. Sir, it is in this only, no, sir.
No, this is a security group.
Okay.
Go to the easy to instance section.
Okay.
Yeah, which is 10.1.1.4.
This one, sir.
Yeah. Click on the security. Yeah, go down. See, I told you, right? So only you have opened port number 22. Now click on the SG-02A678. Yeah, click there. Edit inbound roles. Yes, add rule. Yeah, select custom. Yeah, oh, select the drop down. No. Yeah, mention all traffic. Select all traffic. Yeah, last option. Yeah, in the custom type my IP address. No. Select custom.
Okay.
The first option. Type my IP. That is 172.
Okay.
Dot 31 dot 0.0/16. This is my VPC CADR. Now save rules. Now I am able to ping. See if you can
Okay.
see.
Just a second.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
You can
Shall I
stop
stop?
sharing.
Okay.
See, as you can see, I am getting a response. See, you're getting it. Okay. So this completes the TGW demo. So any guy, okay, I'm going to stop the recording, guys.